Hey everyone and welcome to this Wix tutorial. In today's tutorial I will show you how to add the Instagram feed to your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now just one quick note, if this video helps you out, please let me know by leaving a like and also make sure to leave me a comment so I know this tutorial is still up to date. Now with all of that being out of the way, let's get started. First off, you want to go over to the Wix editor and then simply go over to add. And make sure you add a strip if you don't have any space left on the place where you'd like the Instagram feed to be. Now for me, I do have this space left. And then once you have the space, please go over to apps. So it's the 4 squares right here. Then go over to the search bar if it does load and search for Instagram. You'll then see Instagram feed and you want to click on that one. It has 2.5 stars, which isn't a lot, however it's completely free to use and it will do the job. So click on add to site and then log in into your Instagram. And there you have it, this is our Instagram feed. So now what you want to do is to simply click on settings and click on connect to business account or connect to personal account. Now once you're logged in, you simply want to click on allow. And in this case I indeed don't have any posts available on my Instagram. However, if you do have that, they will pop up right here and I won't waste your time. All you can do is go over to display. You might want to add your profile, your post and the hashtags of your feed. Now because I'm logged in using my personal account, I would need to log in using a business account to add hashtags feeds to my site. Over at settings you're able to expand the full screen. Over on settings you're able to choose what happens when clicking on a post. I would like it to open on Instagram and the app direction should be right to left. And the app direction should indeed stay on left to right. You can also use the load more button, so few more posts, a few more. You can add custom links and you can also change the layout. Would you like it to be a grid, a slider or a collage? And what is the size of the posts? Now just play around with this and make sure you're happy with how it looks. And that's how to add your Instagram feed to your Wix website. If this video helped you out, please let me know by leaving a like. Also make sure to leave a comment and consider subscribing to this channel for more straightforward tutorials about how to make your own Wix website.